Hi, I'm Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. When's the last time you've been on a boardwalk? When's the last time you've been around a beach? When's the last time you've been on a Midway? When's the last time that you've been to a carnival with carnival rides? Well, that's what I have for you today here in Santa Cruz at the Santa Cruz Boardwalk right next to the Santa Cruz Wharf. I have all the sights and sounds for you. This is for the kids and for the kid in all of us. I think you're gonna like it. This is a little different from my normal type of adventure videos, but I think it's worth seeing. If you're ever in the Santa Cruz area, I highly recommend this. This would be a fun day for you. Now on with the sights and sounds.
That's old classic. Oh, this looks interesting. Oh, look at that. Double shot. It's not as high as the one at Six Flags, Texas, but same idea. Look at that. I bet that's fun. Oh, stopping. Get on there. Let's see. Looks like plenty of places to eat. And candy. Oh, they actually got a beach here. There you go. You can see the wharf over there. And there's the beach. Santa Cruz, California. This is a Monday, folks.
I'm told all the time I'm not in my own videos enough. So here I am doing a selfie trying to fix that problem. And guess what? I forgot to say anything. So I gotta add this audio so it's not so weird. Sometimes you just gotta laugh at yourself.
Oh, there's a fake one. Selfie. Oh, there's your selfie spot right there.
Is that for YouTube?
Yep. Hey, you want a card?
Huh?
You want a card?
Yeah.
It was empty, folks. Just taking in the sights. Big difference. Oh, that's that wood roller coaster up there. That's the line to ride it too. Sky glider. That's all that. Again, probably gonna have to cut out the audio. it's not exactly a fair horse, is it? No, look at that. It's supposed to be skydiving. Reptile, what they call it here. Log ride. There you go. Almost like going Six Flags. Midway says that too. There we go. Oh, they call that cliffhanger. I'm right now on the Pacific Coast on the Santa Cruz Boardwalk as we speak. This ticket booth's open. I'm sure they pick and choose when it's not the weekend. That's not running yet. I think the further you walk this direction, which I would assume is south, it's more for little kids. Yeah, definitely. This is the little kids ride. Oh, this looks like a fancy ride. Crazy sir. Now they're going the other direction. Dragon and mini roller coaster. Yes, everything in the West needs rain so badly. It's just sad. Y'all enjoy. Places to eat to your heart's content when it comes to sweets and junk food. Wow, that's loud. Games to the right, food to the left, if you call that food. I'm sure it's all good tasting though. Well, they put little kids on this end too. Look at this old bumper car. Oh, it's cool in here though. Well, that brings back memories. Okay. They obviously don't allow dogs. I haven't seen any. Double shot's taking off. Get it, that thing. Oh, so is Typhoon. Oh, there's double shot. Kinda can see both, can't you? Oh, it's gonna go over. It's gonna go over. Look at that. You gotta love that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. Hey, there's actually some boards. First boards I noticed on the boardwalk. There's no telling how much revenue this generates in a year's time. If this is a Monday, now still, I think that it is June 6th here in California. You can see the beach goes all the way over to the wharf, and between here and there is almost all volleyball nets you want. better look where I'm going.
The credits are about ready to roll, but before you leave, I want to remind you I have bonus video after the credits of a volleyball game and also of scenes from the next episode. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe now before you forget. Remember, I do adventure videos on Wednesdays and shorts on the weekends. But don't go anywhere yet. We're not done. Thank you for sticking around after the credits for bonus video and pictures of next week's episode. But first up is a volleyball game, at least until the injury.
Looks like they're getting the volleyball game up. Yeah, a few games going. Couple on. Let's watch for a while. Oh, jammed the finger. I remember those days. It hurts. Jammed the finger. Did it break it?
Here, as promised, is scenes from the next episode. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.